So we continue, okay, the class with present simple tense, okay. So when we say present simple tense, we are talking about verbs, okay. So when we say present simple tense, of course, present, okay, the now, okay, it's happening. This is a verb tense used to describe, it can be, number one, a regular or habitual action. Okay? When you say habitual, actions that we repeat, okay, on a regular basis. We can be doing this every day, okay, or every week, every month, okay, it depends on the action. And then, we also express general truth or fact, okay, in present simple tense. What else? Fixed arrangements, okay, or schedules, or states and feelings, okay. These are non-action verbs, okay. Example, when you say I'm not okay, it's a status, emotional status. It can be mental as well, okay. So to explain further, okay, or examples, okay, rather. Regular actions examples, I go to school every day. In your case, you go to IE class, your IE class, every weekdays, okay, for 3 weeks, okay, regular action. What else? I wake up around 7 or 8 a.m. every day, okay, regular. What time do you wake up every day? What time do you wake up? 8 a.m.? 9? Later, 10, 12, 11? Another example of regular action is she drinks coffee in the morning. I drink matcha in the morning because I need caffeine. Okay, I cannot function well without caffeine. And green tea. Okay, matcha green tea, very good for it's high in anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, very healthy. Because they are from leaves, right? Next, general truth or fact. The sun rises in the east. Okay? General truth, meaning for all of us, the sun rises in the east. Okay? Yeah, and the sun sets in the west. Okay? General truth. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay? These are general truth. For scheduled events, example, the train leaves at 6 p.m. Your IE class starts at what time? 1 o'clock, right? 1 p.m. Okay? What else? IE class ends at what time? 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 4 p.m. Okay? It's a scheduled event. And then in your first sem, next sem, August, your classes can begin from 8 to 11 or 12 to, okay? Your classes will be 8 to 11 or 12 to 3 or 3 to 6 p.m. Okay? I think there are also evening classes, but that's very rare. Okay? Very rare. States and feelings. Example. He likes pizza. Likes, it functions as a verb, but there's no action. Okay? That's why states and feelings. What else? They know the answer. Okay? What else? What else? He loves playing. Okay? What else? They know the answer. It can also be negative. They don't know the answer. Okay? Status, states. Okay? Not necessarily feelings. So what's the structure? For affirmative, subject plus the verb infinitive. Okay? Then we add S or ES for he, she, or it. Okay? Negative. If it's negative, example, they don't know the answer. If you see the word not, it's negative. Okay? Affirmative is positive. They know the answer is positive, affirmative. Okay? So what's the format? What's the structure for negative? Okay? It's subject plus do or does not. Okay? Plus verb infinitive. For question form, we start with the do, the words do or does, okay? Subject plus verb infinitive. Note, the verb infinitive is the base form of the verb. Okay. For affirmative, here's an example. I, the subject, verb, read books every night. In my case, every day. I read every day. I read books, I read research papers, okay? And I also write, okay? I love journaling, okay? What else? Example, she reads books every night. Okay. So you add S if the subject is singular. What is singular? Meaning one only, okay? They play football on Sundays, okay? If you see the word they, if the subject is plural, the verb should be the base form, no S, okay? If you use I, you also need to use the base form, no S, okay? I read, I eat, I drink, I study, no S, okay? Next, for the negative, you only need to use or you only need to add the word not, N-O-T, okay? I do not read books at night. If it's affirmative, I do read books at night. Okay? Negative, they do not play football on Sundays. Affirmative, they do play football on Sundays. Another example, he does not go to the gym after work. Negative. Affirmative, he does go to the gym after work. Okay? Very simple. For the question, again, you need to start the question with the word do or does. Okay? So when to use do? Do if you are going to use plural, you and plural. Okay? Do they, do you. Okay? But if it's singular, we use does. Does he, does it, does she, does your mother, does your father. Okay? Examples of do. The word, the use of the word do is, do you read books every night? Do you? Okay. Do you play? Do they play football on Sundays? And then for the word does she read books every night? Does he go to the gym after work? Okay. Remember, this is grammar already, okay? You have to follow the rules in making a sentence. Okay, let's try the following.